The hidden traps in a nursing assessment form and your rights to your long-term care benefits. In this multi-part series, I have been talking about the nursing assessment form that's used when you are claiming that you need assistance with your activities of daily living. Now, different carriers have different forms. Essentially, though, the forms ask the same question. What will happen is that the carrier will bring in a nurse assessor or someone else to assess your need for assistance with activities of daily living. And what's on that form can make or break the claim and can make or break continued payment of benefits. Among the questions that are going to be asked is whether or not you are using any equipment for mobility or whether or not there is any durable medical equipment that you have to use. So what is an example of that? Well, you might have to use a cane, you might have crutches, you might have a Canadian walker, you may have a wheelchair, an electric wheelchair. Those are the kinds of things that are important because your activities of daily living involving balancing, transferring, toileting, taking care of your basic needs can also be impacted and can result in the need for this particular equipment. And I think the need for the equipment is proof that you are having problems with activities of daily living. Now, they may also ask you other questions about durable medical equipment. What's durable medical equipment? Wrist braces, knee braces, ankle braces, and any other kind of braces, straps, that sort of thing that you need to provide support or strength or stability for a joint. Again, what's important here is the fact that you are discussing with them the equipment that you're using, be it for mobility or for standing, sitting, walking, because you need that equipment to do activities of daily living. So remember, even if you use this equipment, doesn't disqualify you from your long-term care benefits. It's the impact that your medical condition has on your activities of daily living, and then the kind of assistance that you need. You actually might need assistance with the equipment. For example, in some cases, people have to have Hoyer lifts to be moved in and out of bed, and clearly that's important. If you have to have that wheelchair, that's important. If you have to have wrist brace, knee braces, all of that's important. But also what's important is the frequency with which you use those devices, how they impact your functionality, and what happens if you can't use those devices. What's your level of functioning? If you have any questions about your rights to your long-term care benefits, or fighting with a carrier, or your claim has been terminated, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of who the carrier might be and regardless of the nature of your disabling medical condition. 727-894-3188.